Good afternoon students, my name is Shivam Sen and today I am going to teach you mathematics, and one of the most and important topic of mathematics is probability. First of all, I will explain you the term probability. What do you mean by probability? Probability means chances of any event which can be occurred. The word here contains can be, or it might be, cannot be. Both the terms can be included. This is the term which is known as probability. First of all, I will define what is probability. Probability is the study of the uncertainty. Probability is a branch of maths which deals with calculating the likelihood of an event happening. Probability is used in many fields like mathematics, physical sciences, biological sciences, commerce, medical sciences, weather forecasting, etc. So for detailed explanation of probability, I would like to introduce some examples which can be discussed here. So please have a look. First of all, before starting to an example, I would like to tell you what is the formula of probability. The most common and basic formula for probability is probability of an event. E means event. So P equals to number of trials in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. Now, number one, which there is the two important notes which I would like to tell you. Number one, the probability of each event lies from 0 to 1. The answer of any probability question will be lies from 0 to 1. And second important note is the sum of all the probabilities will be always 1. Now, first of the most important and basic example of probability is number one, a coin is tossed 500 times and we get head equals to 285 times and tails equals to 215 times. When a coin is tossed at random, the question is what is the probability of getting a head and a tail. So here is the solution. Number one, we will have to calculate the value of getting a value of a head and a tail. So event of getting a head equals to P into the bracket H. It means probability of a event head equals to how many times the number of head occurred, that is 285, and the total number of occurrence is 500. So according to the formula, number of trials in which the event happened equals to 285 and total number of trials equals to 500, and when we will calculate or simplify this, we will get the value 57 by 100. This is the value of probability of getting a head. Now second question here is what is the probability of getting a tail. So we will solve just like the previous. We solve, so probability of tail equals to tails occur 215 times, so 215 upon total number of trials, total number of trials is 500, so 215 upon 500, when we will simplify we will get the value 43 by 100. And the second example I have also taken, please have a look. From a bag, there is a bag containing 10 red, 4 blue and 6 black balls, and the question is saying a ball is drawn at random. It means the question is asking what is the probability of drawing a red ball and a blue balls. First of all, we will have to calculate the total numbers of balls in the bag. So how many total number of bags? 10 red, 4 black and 6 black. So total value 10 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 20 balls. So the question is probability of drawing a one random ball, that is a red ball, equals to a red ball contains here 10. So 10 upon total 20 equals to, when we will simplify this, we will get the value 1 by 2. And what is the second question asked? What is the probability of getting a blue ball? So here the question is 4 blue balls. So 4 upon total number of balls is 20. When we will simplify this, we will get the value 1 by 5, and that's all. Thank you very much.